Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. How are you all?
Morning, ma'am.
Ready for the exams today? Computer exam? Yes?
Yep.
Yes.
Those who are not ready, that's
Yes,
why some
ma'am.
children are absent because they may be learning now. Yes, you people have studied. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
So children, we are doing today one revision MCQ test. Okay. So Abhinav will take the seminar. That is also a revision. So Abhinav, can you tell me which is your topic?
Properties of
Properties of multiplication. So you want to share the screen? Yes, I will.
Yes.
Okay. So children, please revise. And when he is taking the seminar, Deans. Okay, so when he is taking the seminar, all of you has to be very attentive. Okay, so he is taking which topic? Properties of multiplication. Be very attentive. Okay. Okay, Abhinav, you can start. Yes, Abhinav.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. There are 5 properties of multiplication: identity property, zero property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Identity property. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Examples: 88 into 1 equal 88 and 961 into 1 equal 961. Zero property. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Examples: 69 into 0 equals 0. 198 into 0 equals 0. Commutative property. Number can be multiplied in any order. The product will be remain same. Examples: 2 into 9 equal 18. And if we multiply 9 into 2, we also get 18. 25 into 2 equals 50. And if we multiply 2 into 25, we also get 50. Associative property. The factor can be grouped in any way. The product remains the same. We have an example of 5 into 2 into 3. Let's solve it in the first way. First multiply 5 into 2, which gives us 10. Next multiply 10 into 3, which gives us the product as 30. Let's solve it in the second way. 2 into 3, which gives us 6. Next multiply 6 into 5, which gives us the product as 30. Distributive property. Multiplication by the same factor may be distributed over 2 or more addends. This property allows you to multiply each term inside a set of parentheses by a term inside the parentheses. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Examples: first we multiply 3 with each number in the bracket, which is 3 into 6 plus 3 into 4. First we multiply 3 into 6, which gives us 18, and 3 into 4, which gives us 12. Then add 18 plus 12, which gives us 30. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Examples: first we multiply 2 with each number in the bracket, bracket, which is 2 into 6 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 6, which gives us 12, and 2 into 5, which gives us 10. Then subtract 12 minus 10, which gives us 2. Questions, fill in the blanks. 18 into 3 equal 3 into dash. 2 Andrea. 18. Correct answer. 7 into 3 into 6 equal 3 into dash into 6. 2 and 2 and 8.
Anna is there? Ask someone. Someone else.
I and Kesaji. 7. Correct answer. 4 into dash equals 0. 2 Irene B. 0. Correct answer. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, very good, Abhinav. Yes, children, he has done very good presentation and all the properties of multiplication. We have studied only distribution of distributive property of multiplication over addition, but he has given us one more extra thing that is out of our textbook, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Yes, children. Okay, very good. So what are the properties we'll discuss again? That is identity property. Multiply by 1, you will get the same answer. Yes. Then we discuss zero property, that is multiply any number by 0, you will get the answer as 0. Then we discuss commutative and associative, distributive. Okay, can you give a clap for him? Yes, very good. Okay, now children, we will have one revision test. We discussed now. We have completed all our revision. Today now I will send you the link of MCQ revision test. Okay, we have completed revision of all the chapters. Yes, and today is our last class. Children, are you ready? Yes. So please take your chat box. Please, all of you, please take your chat box and don't speak in between. You have to don't say, ma'am, I finished. You have to be very attentive and read the questions carefully. Yes, good morning. Those who joined now, what do you have to do? Please check the chat box. I'm going to paste the link. Children, please check whether you got.
Then I got that.
Okay, you got. Okay, you got. Not got that. Okay, now children, please do. After some time, I will tell you when you have to stop. Don't say, ma'am, I finished. I got this much. Let all the children complete. Be very quiet and do. Yes, Bandhan, I will send it again. You joined now only. Okay. Yes, Bandhan, please check the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
And mute your device, all of you.
Can I start? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I start?
Yes, yes, start.
Ma'am, some of the questions can we calculate in our rough book?
Yes, yes, you can calculate in the rough book. Yes, okay. We have questions from all the chapters, multiplication, addition, everything. So you have to do the calculations. You can do in your rough book.
Ma'am, we can calculate in rough book.
Yes, you can calculate in the rough book.
can calculate in the rough book.
Yes, you can calculate in the rough book, children.
Okay.
Some children join now. Please check the chat box and complete your MCQ fast. Those who joined now, please check the chat box. Yes, Abhinav, mute your device. Abhinav, mute your device. Who is this iPad? Please turn on your camera. Children, have you all completed?
Ma'am, I am.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Advait, you had to.
actually,
Okay, why you have not renamed your device? iPad still. And okay.
Ma'am, I got one wrong answer.
Don't say anything now. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can put it in the group.
Okay.
I'm joining.
Okay, you join. Children, please complete fast. Then I will give you some written questions. That also we'll have to discuss. Okay, Ayan, please check your, which all things you got mistake, you had to check again. Okay. Those who,
Ma'am.
yes, Ayan, did you understand your mistakes?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So children, I now almost all have done, only few more to complete. So we will do some written exam, written test, written revision. Okay. So 20 children have already given a response. Now those who joined late, I will send that link again in the group. Okay. Now children, we will do written.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I write the correct answer for the 7th one, but I got wrong answer.
I'll check. Okay, we'll check later. Okay, children, are you ready? Please keep your rough book now. Those who finish the exam, those who finish the MCQ, what do you have to do now? Take out your rough book. We will do some written questions. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the rough book.
Yes, in the rough book, children, we are going to write revision. Question number 1. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, children. Here, Anu, question number 1, owns a bookstore. Write the question also. Write the question also. Bookstore. Fast. Bookstore. She ordered 120 cartons of Batman comics. If each carton contains 24 comics, how many comics did she order? How many comics?
We want to read the...
Yes, write the question and write the answers with steps. Okay. How many comics did she order? Question number 2. Find the product. Multiply 5043 into 7. Complete these 2 questions fast. Then we will discuss the answers. So first one, it's a word problem, children. You have to write the steps. Anu owns a bookstore. She ordered 120 cartons of Batman comics. If each carton contains 24 comics, how many comics did she order?
Ma'am, by steps.
Yes, write the steps for the word problems. Can see the words. Okay, she ordered 120 cartons of Batman comics. And if each carton contains 24 comics, how many comics did she order? Please write this in the rough book. Yes, Raika.
Should we write the question?
Yes, yes. You have to write the question. But if you are late now, you can avoid writing the question. We are going to discuss the answers now. Yes, children, fast. So Anu owns a bookstore. She ordered 120 cartons of Batman comics. So what can be the first step?
Anu,
How many cartons?
We will write how many. Tell me the step. Answer.
cottons he taught.
What is that? Number of?
Number
I
of
comics.
Number of
Yes, children, continue. I will write the step. You can continue the answers. Okay. Number of?
cotton.
Number of cartons. Number of cartons. So 120. Then what you will write next?
Number of books in one carton.
Okay, number of books in one carton. Or you can write number of cartons in one. Number of comics. Okay. Find out the answer. Number of comics. 24.
Excuse me, ma'am. Find the product. It's after 5, it's 0.
Yes, 0, 0. Okay, now what will be the last step for question number 1? Number of cartons is 120. Number of comics in each carton, that is 24. So how to find the total number? Total number of comics. Did you get the answer, children?
No, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, do it. Then after that, question number 2. Find the product 5043 multiplied with 7. Yes, children, do it fast. You are going to finish the time now. We are going to wind up.
I'm completed.
Yes, completed. Okay, what's the answer? $120 multiplied with 24. 120 multiplied with 24. Okay, so children, we have 1 0. Okay, we'll do together. Andrea, tell me what is 4 into 0? 4 into 0? 0. 4 twos are? 8. 4 into 1? 4. Okay, second row starts with? 0. Again, we have 2 times 0. 0. Okay, 2 times 2? 4. 2 into 1? 2. Okay, now we had to add 0. Yes. 8 plus 0? 8. Okay, what's the answer? 2880. Okay, 2880. So children, please check whether you got. After that, what you will write? 2880 comics. You have to write as this word problem. You have to write with all these steps. Okay, number of cartons here. That is given 120. Then in each carton, how many comic books are there? Number of comics you have to write, that is 24. The total number of comics how to find out? 120 times 24. Yes. Let me see how many got this answer. 2,880 comics. Yes, Andrea?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I wrote how many cartons, how many comics
Don't write how many. Okay. Instead of how many, what we can write, Andrea? Number of, yes. Now, we are not asking question in the answer. Yes. So, how to write the step? Number of cartons, number of comics. Yes. You got the answer?
Yes.
You got the point? Okay. Yes, children, how many got this correct answer? 2,800. Okay. Many children got the correct answer. So, complete question number 2 first now.
Okay,
Question number 2.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of question
Wait,
number
wait. One more minute. One more minute, Daros.
Ma'am, I completed the question number 2 also.
2 also. We are going to discuss now. Yes. So, what is question number 2? 5,043 multiplied by
7.
7.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
Yes, children, have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So, what's the answer?
35,301.
35,301. We will check now whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Adiga, tell me what is 7 times 3, Adiga?
21.
21. So, from this 21, we will write here 1. 2 is carryover. 7 4s are?
28.
28. 2?
30.
30. Okay. 3 is carryover. 7 into 0?
7. 0.
0. Okay. 0 plus 3? 3. Okay. 5 into 7? 35. So your answer is correct. You told me 35,301 is correct answer. Okay. How many got this answer? Yes. Okay, children, some videos are off. Please turn it fast. Ayan. Have you all completed? One more question I'm going to give you now.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 3. Question number 3. Again, we will do one more question, the word problems. To write the steps, we had to do more word problem. A library has 4 racks with 1,500 books on each rack. Books on each rack. What is the total number of books in the library? What is the total number of books? Number of books in the library. Children, no need to write this question now. No need to write the question now. Tell me the first step. Yes, Andrea.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
What will be the first step? Look at the question and tell me.
Number of.
Yes, very good.
Number of
Here,
racks.
number of, we have 4 racks. Then we have
Racks.
books on each rack. So first what you'll write? Number of
Racks.
racks. Very good. Number of racks, that is 4. Then second what you'll write? Number of books. Yes, we can write number of books in each or on each rack. Number of books. So the answer
In each
1,500. So what will be the final step? Last step.
total number of
Total
books.
number of, you can see here the last sentence. Total number of books in the library. Or simply write total number of books. Total number of books. Find out the answer. 1,500 multiplied by 4. Word problems we have to write with all the steps. So finally what we are finding out? Books. Okay, children, complete your answer. Meanwhile, I will take your attendance. Okay, I'll take you. Tell me what's the answer here?
6,000.
6,000. Okay, very good. 6,000 books. So, children, for these word problems, you have to write all the answers with the steps. If you don't write the steps, you will not get the full marks. Okay. So children, today the seminar Abhinav has taken very good. So we were revising today chapter multiplication and we were doing MCQ test. Then we were doing some written test, written revision also. Okay. So children, all the best for your exam. Study well. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye.